Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change profile picture in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to your account. So click on your profile picture and then click on Manage Account. Now, if you are in Manage Account settings, then you should see your profile picture right here under Profile and Visibility. Click on it and then click on Add Profile Photo. Click on Upload a photo and select the photo from your computer. And then simply scale it to your liking and move it however you like and select Upload. Now your picture will upload to Atlassian account and you should be able to change your picture. It is really simple, as you can see. It is changed. So you can close this and now you should be able within a few minutes see change right here as well. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.